this part of the unit, we are going to concentrate on dy, the informal form of your in English. The possessive pronoun dy is always followed by the treiglad meddal, the soft mutation. You have seen this mutation quite a few times now. You first learned it in Uned 4 when discussing where you come from, after o, and where you are going, after I. Dach chi'n cofio? Do you remember? Dwi'n dod o Gymru. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Let's quickly recap the 9 letters which take the treiglad meddal, the soft mutation. T, k, p, d, g, b, ch, r, m. If you need to practice how the letters change, there is an interactive activity in this section to help you. Iawn, let's practice the mutation ar ôl dy, your. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Dyma dy docyn di. Dyma dy gar di. Dyma dy baned di. Dyma dy ddesg di. Dyma dy waith di. Dyma dy fwyd di. Dyma dy restr di. Dyma dy lyfr di. Dyma dy fam di. Gwych. Gofyn cwestiynau nawr, asking questions. We use the same pattern as with ich, but cofiwch, remember, we must mutate after dy. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat, yn Gymraeg, after me. What is your name? Beth yw dy enw di? What is your job? Beth yw dy swydd di? What is your email address? Beth yw dy gyfeiriad e-bost di? What is your problem? Beth yw dy broblem di? Where is your office? Ble mae dy swyddfa di? When does your meeting start? Pryd mae dy gyfarfod di'n dechrau? Who is your boss? Pwy yw dy fos di? Just like eich car chi and eich car, you will hear both dy gar di and just dy gar yn Gymraeg. Arbennig. Now, there are some activities for you to complete, and remember that you can always watch this video again to practice. Pob lwc!